Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we will be talking about the Module32 First function. So the Module32 First function, basically, just like the Process32 First function, retrieves information on the first module associated with a process. Okay? So also, like Process32, we also need to have a handle that came from Create Tool Help 32 Snapshot. Okay? So to use Module 32 first, we need to be able to provide first a ME32 structure. So the ME32 structure is basically a module entry 32 structure. So just like the process entry 32 structure, the module entry 32 structure also has different parameters such as its size, the module ID, the process ID, the usage, the name, and etc. Okay? So you may read more about this in the module entry 32 structure under the Windows App Development documentation. Okay? So that is the first parameter that we need to push. So the next that we need to push is the HModule snap, that is the handle of the process ID that we got from Create Tool Help 32 Snapshot. Okay? And we just simply call module 32 first. Okay? So that is it. So let's save project, console build all, no errors. And if we run our code, there should not be any errors. So let's do test.exe. And as you can see, no errors. Okay. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to show the module path in the module of a current process. Okay. So I hope to see you again next time.